Is this thing on? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I heard you loud and clear. You missed the vlogs. And you know what? So did I. So Friday was my mom's birthday, but we are technically celebrating today. So I have a ton of things to do. Y'all know I'm last minute with everything. So I need to go out. I need to pick up a few things. I need to bake for her. We're cooking together. My brother's coming over. There's a lot. I'm trying to vlog. So there's a lot going on today. And I actually think it'll be exciting for me to vlog and for you to watch. So yeah. Because I have so much to do today, I figured I could start getting ready right now. So I'm gonna shower, do my skincare, all that jazz. Agenda for the day, let's talk about it. I actually planned out my day last night so that I could be on top of things today, and I wrote down what I need to do. So I actually need to go to the liquor store today and also pick up some cheese. And then I am going to cook with my mom, bake a cake, beat my face, party with her. And then I'm going to squeeze some work at the end of the day if possible. So maybe a little bit of editing so that you can see this video that you're watching right now. And also plan my content for the upcoming week. So hopefully I can get all of that in and still relax and chill, you know? Because I want a glass of apple juice at the end of the day. You hear what I'm telling you? Video.
Oh no, it's not that much.
Hello, sweetie.
Hello, sweetie. How are you today?
Let's get the day started, y'all. I hope you guys are doing well. It looks like it's a beautiful Sunday. The sun is shining. It's really windy, but overall, I feel like it's gonna be a great day. Alright, so I'm almost out the door, but I wanted to give you an update on my hair. So I have my hair in these twists. So it's my short-term protective style for the protective style challenge. I wasn't planning on doing this. I actually planned on getting my hair braided again. But, oh God, why can't I get this earring on? But I injured my finger. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been complaining about this for like several days. I jammed my finger in my car door. And I legit thought I broke my finger the first day. I have never experienced so much pain from a finger. I was crippled. I stayed in bed all day. I was not well, but now it seems like we're doing better. I can move the finger now, although it hurts like hell. And the very tip of my finger, I promise you, I don't feel anything there. We're just gonna leave it at that. But anyway, so I ended up putting my hair in this twist just to keep it protected because I just didn't want to have my hair out like that. I'm supposed to be protective styling and I didn't want to break my own rules. So I have it in these twists. I'm gonna leave it in this twist for about a week, at least until my finger feels better. Hopefully in a week it feels better, then I can wash and braid my hair again. If not, I will put it back in some twist. I will moisturize my twist later tonight, but for now, this is the look. This is a vibe. Chill vibe. Oh, bless me. We're done. Fresh skin. I could put on the head wrap, but I don't even think I am. Let's just get out the door, get the ingredients that we need, and come back home. I'm not even gonna be out there for long. I don't need to do too much. All right, so the first stop is Costco. Oh my God, these are so good. Okay, so good. I am gonna grab 3 of them because they are that good. Second stop, LCBO. Third stop, Farm Boy. And you know what? We might as well stop at Home Sense too. So I'm back home and I need to bake a cake and cook. I think my mom expects me to cook a little bit, but I don't really want to. It's her birthday though, so I mean, I guess I might. I guess I have to. I'm having some plantain chips. I feel like this is the Haitian in me. If you're not like Caribbeans, you probably don't know this, but it's really good. Nicely salted. Anyways, I'm stalling. Let me bake this cake. So I just realized that this vlog is hella random because I'm just about to talk about my plans, and we were just baking earlier. We went to the store. Anyway, I hope you're still around and you're still here because it's hella random. Anyway, so I picked up a few plants the other day. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know this, but oh my god, I am so tired. Cooking is like working out. I'm beat. I'm done. I'm just honestly gonna slip into something comfortable, grab myself a tall glass of apple juice, and call it a night. Hopefully I have enough footage to put together for this vlog, because halfway through, when my brother came over, I kind of was, I put the camera down and really spent time with my family. It's really nice. We don't get together very often, but when we do, it's nice. I hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button on your way out if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so this is the next day, and I realized I never actually finished my story about my plants. Okay, so I picked up a few plants after killing one of my plants a couple of months ago. I felt kind of sad, so I wanted to redeem my soul. We got a croton. This is a monstera, I think. I don't know the names yet. She is called... This is a zebra plant. Isn't she so pretty? I think she's super pretty. We also have a jade plant over here. Is this jade? I think this is jade. Or ZZ. No, I think this is jade. This is a jade plant. ZZ is back here. Plants are so cute. Look at her just sprouting away. She looks good. So far, so good, you guys. I've been doing a lot of research on how to take care of them. This is another plant that's in the family of Monstera. I think it's called a guinea. It's almost the same thing. I don't know. And then we have this one. This is such a big old plant that I have in my living room, but I figured it really filled out the space very nicely. You know, this is a Chinese palm tree, and I kind of really like the big leaves. I didn't expect it to be so big, but yeah, she is flourishing. When I first got her, she started drying out on me a little bit, but I started doing a lot of research, and yeah, so I have a bunch of babies. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, so right now they've just been chilling on our dining room table. When I have people over, obviously I just kind of like scoot them over there, but yeah, they're doing well so far, and I'm so happy and pleased. It's only been like 2 weeks though, so let's not get ahead of ourselves, but so far we like them. All right, so now I can really end this vlog.